I'm going to show you how to make yourself comfortable at home if you have a loose band on an expander or on an appliance. Occasionally, the glue can come loose from around the tooth and it'll cause the band to want to pop off the tooth and will be loose, or it'll feel like it's pushing on the gums. To make yourself comfortable, if this happens in the evening or over the weekend and you're unable to come in and see us right away, you can slide the band back over the tooth and push down the best you can to get it to stay. Occasionally it will still pop up when you're eating, but this will at least make it comfortable so it's not just hanging in the mouth until you're able to come in and see us. Also, with the lower expander, the little spring can slide onto this little bar right here and can cause it to feel a little bit pokey. If that ever happens, you can take a nail file or an emery board and just rub right here where the metal and the spring meet and just kind of file a little, just like this. And that will get rid of that little rough or pokey spot on your tongue.